Friends, welcome to Radix. In this session, we will discuss SBI PO mathematics portion discussion of speed test number 304. Okay. Now, question number 1. In this case, we have to calculate what should come in place of question mark in the following number series. See, first question is 6, 10, 19, 32, 48. Now, a series increasing and difference for first two terms is 4, then 9, then 13, then this difference 16. Now check whether this difference is same. This is 5, this is 4, this is 3. It means it is a decreased series of second level, so it would be 18. So 48 plus 18 would be 66. Answer is B option. Okay, next question. We have 13, 17, 33, 97, then question mark and 1377. Again we'll check difference. This is 4, this is 16, this is 64. So it is 4 to the power 1, 4 to the power 2, 4 to the power 3. So next would be 4 to the power 4, and 4 to the power 4 is what? 256. So we'll add 256. This would be 7, 6, 13, 1, 5 and 3, 353. Answer is E option. Okay, next question. In this case, we have 23, 39, 32, 48 and 41. Some value are decreasing, some are increasing. So in first case it is plus 6. In second case it is minus 7. In next case it is plus 16. This is plus 16. And in the next case it is minus 7. So the next term would be plus 16. So it is 57. Answer is B option. Okay, next question. Okay. We have 19, 25, 42, 71, 113 and then next unknown term. So this is increasing by 6. This is increasing by 17 and this is increasing by 29. This is 42. Check its next level. This is 9, 11. This is 12. This is 13. So next would be 14. Now if we add 14 to this, 56. Now add 56, 9, 6, 169. Answer is A option. Okay, next question. We have 6, 8, 10, 42, then unknown value, then 7, 70 and then 4, 5, 7, 8. Now you can very clearly observe that it is slightly more, then difference is 4, then difference is very large, and then here it is very large. So it means it is a multiplication with some addition or subtraction. So that observation is very important. Now if we multiply this by 1 plus 2, we'll get 8. Now if we multiply this by 2 minus 6, or we can write this as 3 into 2 into 3. So we can get the concept is 6 into 1 plus 2 into 1, and now into 2 minus 2 into 3. Let's check whether this is applicable in this or not. Into 3 plus 3 into 4. Now the same term used here, and then next term to this multiply with it. So this is 42. Now this concept is applying in this. So next would be 42 into 4 minus 4 into 5. This is 8 minus 20. This would be 140. Now check whether this is possible with the same concept or not. 148 into 5. Now next would be plus 5 into 6. This is 740 plus 30. Yes, 770. So our concept is correct. Answer is 148. Right. This is very important, how to judge the series is increasing very large, in large value or in very small value. If it is increasing in large value, see here we have differences are almost 4000. So in that case there must be a into or multiplication series. Okay, next question. Geeta buys a plot of land for rupees 96,000. She sells 2 by 5 of it at a loss of 6%. She wants to make a profit of 10% on the whole transaction by selling the remaining land, the gain percent on the remaining land. So the rule is 2 by 5, first part profit is 6%, loss is 6%, so we'll use minus 6 here. We use like 2 by 5 into minus 6. This is what first part, and its loss is 6 minus 6 plus. If 2 by 5 is sold, then remaining would be 3 by 5. Let's say it is sold in X% profit, and overall profit percent is 10%. So this is 3 by 5x is equal 10 plus 12 by 5 or 22 by 5. Now 5 cancel, x would be 22 by 3 or this is 62. So this is 62. 20 whole 2 by 3. Answer is B option. Right? Next question. A sum of rupees 4,420 is to be divided between Rakesh and Prakash in such a way that after 5 years and 7 years respectively the amount they get is equal. Now that line is very important. Then if the rate of interest 10% per annum compounded, find the share of Rakesh. Now the concept is Rakesh and Prakash, if it is compounded, then the ratio of their investment would be 1 plus r by 100 to the power n1 and 1 upon 1 plus r by 100 to the power n2. Now this is very important. N1 n2 are years and rate r is 10%. Now put this value 1 plus 10 by 100 to the power 5. This is 1 upon 1 plus 10 by 100 to the power 7. Now 5 power cancelled by 2 power. It is 1 is to 1 upon 1 plus 10. Now this is 11 by 10 to the power 2. This is 1 is to 100 by 121, or we can write this as 121 is to 100. So we'll divide the sum in two parts, which is 121 is to 100. Now we'll check which option containing 121 or 11, multiple of 11. This is not multiple of 11. This is multiple of 11. This is not multiple of 11. This is not a multiple of 11. So answer is B option. Or now it is very easy because we got the sum, ratio of sum, and the sum is this. You can divide it easily by using simple ratio concept. So answer of this question is B option. Next question. A, B and C are three friends that take 20 days to finish a work. Now A plus B plus C takes 20 days to finish the work. Now take LCM 20, and this one is what? It is the unit of work done by A, B and C in one day. So we can say that A, B, C done one page, one unit in a day. It is also given that the time taken by B is twice the time taken by A and C together. It means A and C working unit would be twice of B. Now time taken means A and C efficiency would be 2 times of B, and same way C together and time taken by C to do the work is thrice the time taken by A, and it means A and B efficiency is equal thrice of C. Now substitute A and C as 2B, so we get B plus 2B as 1. So B would be 1 by 3, and now put AB as 3C, it would be 4C. C would be 1 by 4. Now it is given that sum of all three, A plus B plus C is 1. A we have to calculate, B is 1 by 3, C is 1 by 4 is equal 1. So A would be 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. LCM would be 12. This is 12 minus 3 minus 4, or 5 by 12. It means A completes 5 by 12 unit in one day. We have to calculate how much time will be taken by A alone to do the work. Now 20 unit work, he completes 5 by 12. So time taken by A would be 20 by 5 by 12, or 48. Answer is D option. Okay, next question. P, Q and R invested some amount to start a business. P invests rupees 500 for 12 months. Q invests 600 for some month, and R invested rupees 540 for times more than 2 months invested by Q. At the end of the year, total profit earned is 8,370, while Q received 2,480. Then Q invested for how many months? So for this we'll do like this: P, Q and R. P invested rupees 500 for 12 months. Q invested rupees 600. Let Q invested for X month, and it is given that R invested 540 with a time which is 2 months more than Q's time, and Q's time is X, so this time would be X plus 2. Now they will divide their profit in the ratio of their investment and time. This is what part of P ratio. This is 600 into X. This is part of Q, and finally part of R, 540 into X plus 2. Now before solving it further, we'll cancel common terms. Now see, 1 0 1 0 1 0. Now this is now multiple of 6, 6 2 ja, 6 10 ja, and 6 9 ja. So finally now we can't cancel anything further. So this is 100 is to 10x is to 9x plus 2. This is what total ratio of PQR, and it is given that Q received 2480. Now the part of Q would be 10x upon 100 plus 10x plus 9x plus 2. This is what part of Q out of this sum, and this is 2480 out of total of 8370, right? So cancel 10, right? This is 10x upon, this is 110, and this is 9x. So this is 118 plus 19x. This value is equal to, now if we divide this by 31, it would be 8 times, and this would be 27. So when we divide this by 31, it is 8, and when we divide this by 31, it is 27. Now simplify further, this is 5. Now cross multiply, this is 135x is equal 472 plus 76x. Now take this value this side, 135x minus 76x is equal 472. Now this is 9 and then 5. 59x is equal 472. So x would be 8 month. Now if we cancel, this is exactly 8 times. So answer is D option. Now this question is very interesting. Now this 3 lines are very important in this case. Okay, got it? Next question. P and Q are sitting in a circle with 11 other persons. So there are total 13 persons. Because it is given that P and Q are sitting in a circle with 11 other persons. If the arrangement of 11 persons is at random, then the probability that there are exactly 4 persons. So for probability, we'll calculate first of all total outcome. Total person are 11 plus 2, 13, and they are sitting in a circle. So this would be factorial 12. Now second point is this, we have to arrange first of all P and Q in circular table. So it can be done in factorial 2 minus 1 or 1 ways. This is what arrangement of P and Q. Now then there are important condition that we have to select 4 people out of 11, because it is given that exactly 4 person lies between P and Q. So next condition would be 11C4, and then we have to arrange them factorial 4, and then remaining person out of 11 we have taken 4 persons, so remaining 7 will be arranged in factorial 7 ways. Now we can use concept of circular arrangement only once. We can't use again and again, because for these 7 persons we can assume any person as a starting point. So this would be factorial 11. This is 11 into 10 into 9 into 8, because we have C4, so we'll write this 4 times. This is 4, 3, 2, 1. This is 24. Factorial 7, leave it as it is, because it will be cancelled by the denominator. 12, 11, 10 into 9 into 8 and factorial 7. Now this factorial 7 cancelled. Now 11, 10, 9, 8 cancel. Factorial 24 cancel. So this is 1 by 12. So answer is D option. Okay, next question. Now, okay, question 76 to 80. What value should come in place of question mark in the following question? So this is exact value question, because they have not mentioned question approximation, right? So this is 7 by 12 into 5 by 21 into 1 by 23 into 48 by 100, because it is percentage sign, into 28980. Now 0 0 cancel. See, this is 5 2 and 2 24. Now this is 12 2 ja and 7 3 ja. So it is clear that this number is cancelled by 3. First of all, 3 9 ja, 3 6 ja, and now 23 4 ja and 2 ja. So 42 into 2 is 84. Answer is A option. Okay, next question. In this case we have 28, then 7, then 2, then 7, then 2, and 28. So we'll make all these value as 28. So this is 28 to the power 4.9. We can write this as 7 to the power 0.1, and this we can write as 4 to the power 0.1. So this would be 28 to the power 0.1, and divide by 7 to the power minus 2.5 and 4 to the power minus 2.5. We have made this 4 because with 4 it would be 28. So this is 28 to the power 4.9 plus 0.1 minus 2 plus 2.5. Because when this minus power comes upside, it would be positive. It is equal to 28 to the power x. Let the unknown values x. This is 7.5. So power equal, answer is B option. Okay, next question. We have 84.25 into 144 minus 51.2 into 7 is equal x percent of 1068.5. Right, and value are very easy and whole number. So how to solve this? Take this 100 this side, and this is multiple of 16, this is multiple of 16, so take 16 common. Inside we have 84.25 into 9 plus minus, this is 16 into 32 into 7 upon 1068.5. Now this is 1600, this value 9 5 ja 45, 0.25 and 38 3 758 point, and this is 224 upon 1068.5. Now subtract this 0.25 4 3 5, 1600 into upon 1068.5. See, if we take 10 and make it one decimal. Now why we have converted this one decimal? Because see, this is 1000, we can write this is 1000 plus 68.5. Now if we multiply this by 5, it would be 342.5, which is exactly multiple of 5. So this is 5 and 800 is answer. Answer of this question is none of these. Okay, next question. We have 0.0729 divided by 0.1, then 0.081 into 10 to the power 5. We have 0.3 into 3 to the power 5. This is 0.9. So we make every power as 0.9. So when this divide 0.1, it would be 0.729, which is 9 cube. So this is 0.9 to the power 3 and whole power 3, it would be 9 divided by, this is 10 into 0.0, so it would be 0.81, and 0.81 is 0.9 to the power 2, this is 0.9 to the power 10, this is 0.9 to the power 5 is equal 0.9 to the power x plus 3. So this is 9 5 14 minus 10 4, this is 0.9 to the power 4 or 0.9 to the power x plus 3. So x plus 3 is equal 4, x would be 1. Answer is A option. Okay, next question. See, this is under root x percent means divide by 100. Now 1764. See, 40 square is 1600. This is 1764. Last digit is 4, so it would be 42 into 5 is equal 1. Now subtract this 0.873. Right. Now this is 5 2 ja and 221. So under root x would be 37 8 upon 21, because we have removed one decimal by this point, right? We have removed one decimal by this 10. So this is last digit would be 8, and this is 21 into 18. Answer is B option. Sorry, this is 18. We have to calculate x. X is 18 square, which is 324. Answer is C option. Okay, next question. Now this is a pie chart with table form. In the following pie chart, the percentage of different categories of employees of two companies A and B are given, and the table shows the percentage of male employee among them. Now this is what male employee, this is pie chart of company A, this is pie chart of company B. Now this is company A male in different part E1 E2, and this is percentage male in B in different categories E1 E2. Now the first question 81, what is the total number of female employee of category E4 in the company A? E4 company A, 48% male, so it is 48% of E4. E4 15%. 15% of what? Total number of employee in A is 6500. Right, 2 0 cancel. See, this is multiple of 13, so answer would be multiple of 13. What we'll do, we'll check which option is multiple of. Okay, we have to calculate female employee, so this would be 52. Right, all other value would be same. So this is 13 upon 20. Now 13 we have cancelled by 4. This is 25. 5 5 ja, 5 3 ja, 5 13 ja. So answer would be 13 into 3 into 3. Large digit would be 9. No option. Large digit would be 7. Only C option. Right, and it is multiple of 3 as well as 13, 13 two times. Answer is C option. Okay, next question. What is the average number of male employee of all categories in company B? Now this question is very interesting and lengthy also, because we have to calculate each and every male in each part of B. See, 45% of even 18% of 9,000. So it is clear that for every term 9,000 divided by 10,000 would be common. So we'll take 0.9 common. This is 45 into 18 first part. Second part 48 into E2 15. Then third part 55 into 24. Then next part 52 into 20. Then E5 60 into 13. Then next part 10 into 57. Right. See, because this is 0.9, this could be 5, this could be 2, this will contain 5 and 2, it would be 10. If we take 10 common, 10 is also there, 10 is also there, 10 is there, 10 is there. So we'll take 10 common, this would be 9. This would be 9 into 9 plus, this is 3 into 24, this is 11 into 12. What we'll do? We'll take 5 and 2 common from each term. This is 26, or we can write this is 52 into 2. This is 6 into 13 and finally 57. So answer would be multiple of 9. First of all, this is not multiple of 9. This is multiple of 9. This is not multiple of 9. This is not multiple of 9. This is... Okay, wait. In this case, we have to calculate average. So we'll divide this by 6 also. So this is 2, this is 3. It means answer is multiple of 3, not 9. This is multiple of 3. This is not multiple of 3. This is multiple of 3. This not multiple of 3. This is not multiple of 3. So two possibilities are there, 786 and 756. Now next what we'll do, we will check whether it is multiple of 9 or not. See, 1 3 is there. देखो यहाँ पर एक 3 मिलेगा. We'll get 3 here. We'll get 3 here. We'll not get 3 here. 3 here and not 3 here. So देखो 5 values are multiple of 3, 1 value is not a multiple of 3. So this sum will not multiple of 3. So answer is B is not possible. Answer is only E. Now solve it, you will get your answer, but this is the shortcut to solve question like this. We have checked multiple of 3 only. Okay, next question. Now question number 83. Now question is, what is the difference between the total number of male and female employee in company A? So in this case, either we calculate male employee and then female employee and then find their difference. And another method is this. We will assume one value as more. Let's say male are more and female are less. In that case, we will calculate difference directly with this value. If 40% male are there in E1, then female would be 60%. It means male are less. So we use minus 20% of what? E1, 22% of 65,000. So what we can do, we can say that 65,000 by 10,000 is common for each term, minus 20 in 22 plus. Now this is male, which is 60%. Hence it is more. In this case 40% would be female. So 20% difference positive. And E2 is 17 plus next 40% male are less. We'll use minus 20. And E3 is 21. Then 48 male are less, minus 4. And E4 is 15. Then 55 male are more, 10% of 16. And then finally 60 male are more, 20 into 9. See, if we get positive value, that would be our answer. If we get negative value, that will remove or will neglect negative value, and our answer would be without minus, because we have to calculate difference. This is 20 and 13. Now one more important part, we can cancel 1 0 to minimize our calculation. Now this is not 0, so we will write like 2 and 3. 5 to the 10, 0 cancel. Now 0 cancel, 0 cancel. Again we can cancel it by 2. 2, this cancel, this 2 cancel, this 2 cancel, this 2. This is 8 and this is 1. So we have 13. This is minus 22 plus 17 minus 21 minus 8, 9, 17, this is 34, positive 34, and minus 22 and 21, this is minus 46, and this is 13 into minus 12. So we have discussed that we will neglect this minus. This would be 12 156. आंसर इज ए ऑप्शन. देखो मैंने जानबूझ के ऐसा किया था, इससे आपका क्वेश्चन जल्दी हो जाएगा. वैसे तो उससे भी कर सकते हो आप, सारे मेल निकालो, सारे फीमेल निकालो, उनको डिफरेंस करो, बहुत टाइम वेस्ट होगा. ये कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आगे कई क्वेश्चन में आपको यूज होगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द टोटल नंबर ऑफ फीमेल एम्प्लॉय इन कैटेगरीज E1, E2 एंड E3 टुगेदर इन कंपनी B इज व्हाट परसेंट ऑफ द टोटल एम्प्लॉय इन कंपनी B. ओके, सो फीमेल एम्प्लॉय पूछा है E1, E2, E3 में. See, total employee is 9,000 into 100, and we have to calculate female employee in E1, E2, E3 in B. So 45% is what? Male. So female would be 55% of what? 18% of 9,000. So 9,000 would be common. 48%. So female would be 52% and E2 is 15% plus 55. Female 45% of 24%. Now 9,000 common. This what we have to calculate. Now 9,000 cancel, 100 cancel. So finally we have 100 LCM. This is 55 into 18 plus 52 into 15 plus 45 into 24. Now next step is very interesting. We can cancel 1 0. How is this possible? 5 from this, 2 from this. This would be 10 cancel. Now 2 from this, which is 26, and 5 from this 3, and 5 from this, and 2 from this. So this is 99 plus 78 plus 108 by 10. This is what our answer. This is 999817 and 825 2. 9 18 8. 285 by 10 or 28.5%. Answer is D option. Question. The total male employee of category E5 and E6 in company B is approximately what percent more than the total male employee of category E4 and E5 in the company A. So हमको क्या करना है, E5 E6 का मेल कंपनी B के मेल निकालना है. Now E5 E6 60 and 57. So it is 60% of 50% of E5 13. Sorry, this is 13, right, of 900 plus 57% of 10% of 9,000. This is what company B male, and this is B. And now company A में क्या चाहिए हमको? E4 E5. E4 48 and E5 55. So 48 by 100. Now E4 in this 15, 6500 plus E5 16 and 55. 55% of 16% of 6500. Right? So we can cancel these 20 here. Right? And now this B minus A upon A into 100, we have to calculate this. Now put this value 60. Now 100 would be cancelled from each term, so cancel this again. 16 into 13 into 90 plus 57 into 10 into 90 minus 48 into 15 into 65 plus 55 into 16, and now take 65 common. Here take 90 common upon 48 into 15 plus 55 into 16 into 65. Now we can cancel this by 5, 18, 13 and 13, and 100 is also there. So this value is 60 into 13 plus 57 into 10, 18 minus 48 into 15 plus 56 into 16 into 13 upon 48 into 15 plus 55 into 16 into 13. Now either we multiply all this value or we can simplify this by 2 also. So we can write this as 30, this is 5, this is 24, this is 8, right? This is 55, this 24, this 8. Now simplify this. This is 390 and this is 285 into 18 minus this is 360 plus 440 into 13 upon this value is 813 or into 100. Now 20 cancelled, so this is, again we can cancel it by, okay, this sum is what, 675 into 18 minus 800 into 13 by 8 into 13. Now again cancel it by 2, 4, 9, 400. So this value is 6075 minus 5200 upon 52. Now this difference 578 upon 52. Now if we assume this is 550, then this would be 17 point something. Answer is D option. So this is a tricky question. इसमें आपको कई कैलकुलेशन करनी थी. ओके, कई तरीके हो सकते हैं, सबसे आसान तरीका मुझे लगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Rakesh traveled 2000 km by aeroplane, which formed 3/5 of the total journey. He travels 1/4 of the trip by car and the remaining trip by train. Find the distance traveled by train. So let's assume that total distance is x, 3/5 traveled by aeroplane, which is equal to 2000. So total distance is 2000 by 3 into 5 or 10,000 by 3. Now 3/5 part and 1/4. Now 3/5 part plus 1/4 part. If we subtract from 1, this will be the distance covered by train. So this is 20. This is 12 plus 5, 17. So 17, 1 minus 17 by 20 or 3 by 20 the distance traveled by train. So 3 by 20 of total distance, which is 10,000 by 3. So this is 500. So he traveled 500 km by train. Answer is C option. Okay, next question. There are 6 men and 7 women. In how many ways a committee of 4 members can be made such that a particular woman is always included? See, only condition given for particular woman. So it means out of 4, a woman is always selected. So we have to select 3 person out of 6 plus 6 women, because 1 woman is selected. So the answer would be 12C3, or it is 12 into 11 into 10 by 3 into 2. So this is 220. Answer is D option. In two alloy, copper and zinc are in the ratio 1:3 and another it is 4:1. Given that 20 kg of first alloy. So 20 kg of first alloy, in this copper would be 1/4 or 5 kg. This is 15 kg. This is copper and zinc. And the second 35 kg. And now it is 35 kg. So out of 35 kg, 4, 5, 28 kg is copper and 7 kg of zinc. The final, some quantity of pure zinc is also melted. So let's say zinc melted is X. The total part of zinc would be 15 plus 7, 22 plus X. This is what zinc, and copper is 33. The final alloy has copper and zinc in the ratio. Now copper is 33 and this ratio is 5:4. So 110 plus 5x is equal 132. So 5x would be 22, x would be 4.4 kg. Answer is B option. Okay, next question. The circumference circle is twice the perimeter of a rectangle. Now circumference is 2 pi r, twice the perimeter. Perimeter is 2 length plus breadth, right? So this 2 cancel. Now it is also in the area of circle is, okay, area pi r square is equal 5544. Now 22/7 r square is equal 5544. Now 22 2 ja, or cancel it by 11. 11 2 ja, 5 ja, 0 4. Then this is 252. r square would be, now देखो 7 एक नीचे से आ रहा है तो यहाँ 7 होना चाहिए. 7 1 ja 7 and 7 3 ja 21 and 7 6 ja. So r would be 42. Now put this value 22/7 into 42. Length आपको दी है, if the area of rectangle, if the length of the rectangle 30 है, length 30 है, this 30 plus b. तो देखो 7 6 जा 2 3 जा 66 is equal 30 plus b. So breadth कितनी हो गई? 36. So area would be 36 into 30. 1080. Answer is C option. Okay, next question. The angle of elevation of top of a tower from 2 points lying AB on the horizontal through the foot of the tower are respectively 15 30, and it is also given that if A and B are on the same side. आपको given है कि ये जो A और B है same side में है. This is A, this is B, and the angle is 15 degree and 30 degree, and this is 40. Now the important rule, if this angle is double, so ये side equal होगी, this would also be 48. 90 के सामने 48, 30 के आगे half of this 24. Answer is B option. Okay, ये shortcut है, बहुत important है. Now this is the graph below and answer the question that follows. Rainfall in August and rainfall during the entire June-September season over the year. This is what rainfall, and this is production of food grains in million ton over the year. Okay, this is production. Now question number 91. What is the approximate percentage of average rainfall in August with respect to that in June to September for all the given year? Now this is very important question. In this case we will calculate what is the approximate percentage of average. Okay, we have to calculate all rainfall in August divided by all rainfall in period of 4 months. ठीक है, तो देखो अगस्त में 300 प्लस 250 प्लस 255 प्लस 190 प्लस 265 प्लस 280 अपॉन इधर 890 प्लस 900 प्लस 880 plus 700 plus 895 plus 890 into 100. That we have to calculate, because we have to calculate percentage. See, this is 0050510, and then 1 0 6 11 10 6 8 14 4, then 1 2 3 6 8 10 1 2 3 2 5 1540 upon 0 0 0 0 5 5, then 9 9 9 0 17 70 16 6 9 15 16 1 1 2 3 3 8 11 20 10 8 15 5 13 3 11. Okay, 1, then 1 2 3 4 5 into 100. देखो यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट एरर हो सकता है, ज्यादा अंतर नहीं आएगा, हमें इंपॉर्टेंट समझनी है. 51 का 33% होता है 17 समथिंग. दिस इज, अगर यहां पर 33 होता तो 17 होता तो हम कहते 33% है. 33 से थोड़ा छोटा होगा. ओके, देखो जो हम कह रहे हैं उसका इंपॉर्टेंस ये है कि दिस आंसर इज लेस देन, देखो इसका 10% कितना होगा? 51% होगा 516, और 30% क्या होगा? 516 का 3 टाइम्स, तो दिस इज 1548. So answer is, approximate answer is C answer. We have to calculate approximate answer, right? Next question. What is the percentage of rainfall in August 2009 with respect to that in same month in all the year together? Okay, अगस्त 2009 में है 190 रेनफॉल अपॉन सभी ईयर में. हमने भी अभी कैलकुलेशन क्या किया था? 1540 किया था लास्ट क्वेश्चन में, इंटू 100 कर लो. सो दिस इज 1900 अपॉन 154. इट इज, देखो 10% कितना होगा? 15.4, अगर हम 100 भूल जाते हैं. और 5% कितना होगा? 5% इसका होगा 7 पॉइंट समथिंग, तो 15 से कम होगा आंसर, ठीक है ना. इट इज 15 से लेस 12%. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अच्छा मैंने कैसे किया, दोबारा देख लो इस चीज को. 154 का 10% होगा 15.4 और 1% होगा 1.5. मुझे 19 करना है तो 1.5 का डबल करो 3 पॉइंट, तो ये जाएगा 18 पॉइंट समथिंग. सो हमारा आंसर 119 के आसपास है. आंसर इज 12, क्योंकि थोड़ा ज्यादा आंसर भी आना चाहिए. ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. In which of the following year the percentage rainfall in August is maximum with respect to total rainfall in that year? Okay. If we have to calculate maximum with respect to total, देखो 300 यहाँ पर 890, इधर 900 यहाँ कम है तो ये नहीं हो सकता. फिर 255 880, इससे ज्यादा तो यहाँ पर ये नहीं हो सकता. 190 कंपेयर टू 700, ये पॉसिबिलिटी है क्योंकि देखो ये कम है लेकिन ये बहुत ज्यादा कम है उससे. ये नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि देखो 895 में यहाँ वैल्यू 300 है. मीन्स फर्स्ट पार्ट या तो 300 बाई 890 होगा या 190 बाई 700 होगा. ओके या तो आप पूरा कंपेयर करके देख लो. ऑब्जर्वेशन से वी कैन से दैट दिस इज 33% अप्रोक्सीमेट एंड दिस इज 2. इफ वी एज्यूम दिस इज 200, so 2 by 7, this value is approximately equal to 20. It is less than 30%, so this is also not possible. So maximum value is for 2006. राइट. देखो हम आगे भी चेक नहीं करेंगे. देखो यहाँ 280 है, यहाँ पे 890 है, इसके कंपेरेटिव में ज्यादा है, तो आंसर केवल हमारा क्या होगा, ए ऑप्शन. ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ईयर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ व्हीट इज मैक्सिमम विद रिस्पेक्ट टू टोटल रेनफॉल इन द सेम ईयर. देखो व्हीट है इस रेक्टेंगल से 50, 60, 70, 68, 78 एंड 85. मीन्स वी हैव टू compare this 50 with 890, this 60 with 900, this. अच्छा देखो यहां पर 50 कंपेयर हो रहा है. See in this case आपको देखना होगा किसका. देखो यहां पे हमें करना क्या है, प्रोडक्शन अपॉन रेनफॉल. तो देखो यहां पर 50 है, रेनफॉल 890 है, सबसे कम यहां पर है, तो जिसका ये कम होगा ये ज्यादा होगा, वो हमारा आंसर होगा. देखो दिस इज 700 एंड दिस इज 68 बाई 700. बाई ऑब्जर्वेशन यू कैन से दैट दिस इज ऑलवेज मैक्सिमम. यहां पर 890, 900, 880, दिस नीचे बहुत ज्यादा कम है और ऊपर ज्यादा अंतर नहीं है, तो ये हमारा मैक्सिमम वैल्यू हो जाएगी 2009, डी ऑप्शन. ये ऑब्जर्वेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन होता है. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ईयर परसेंटेज इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज इन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ राइस इज मैक्सिमम विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दैट ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर. देखो हमको इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज दोनों में से पूछा हुआ है. सी राइस इज दिस, यहां पर 10 इंक्रीज हुआ कंपेयर विद 60, यहां पर 2 डिक्रीज हुआ, तो ये तो नहीं हो सकता. फिर 6 ये हो गया 78, 10 इंक्रीज हुआ आउट ऑफ 68, ये भी लेस हो गया क्योंकि देखो यहां भी 10 इंक्रीज हुआ फ्रॉम 60, यहां पर 10 इंक्रीज हुआ 68 से, ये ज्यादा है, डिनोमिनेटर नहीं कर सकते. यहां पर 12 इंक्रीज हुआ है आउट ऑफ 78 और यहां पर 10, तो ये भी नहीं होगा. तो हमारे पास एक पॉसिबिलिटी बनी है 10 इंक्रीमेंट आउट ऑफ 60 एंड देन 12 इंक्रीमेंट आउट ऑफ 78. सो फाइनली वी कैन से दिस इज व्हाट मोर in the year 2007. Answer is B option. Right? Observation ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है rather कि आप पूरा सॉल्व करें. Now, this is inequalities question. 6x square plus 5x plus 1 both पॉजिटिव हैं, तो इसके रूट नेगेटिव आएंगे. 6 का फैक्टर जिनका सम 5 आए, दिस इज 2 and 3 डिवाइड बाई 6, रूट वुड बी माइनस दिस, माइनस 1/3 and minus 1/2. Then this is 15 and 1. 5 3s are 3/5 and 5/5 minus minus. So this is minus 3/5 and minus 1. Now this value is 0.5, this value is 0.3, negative negative, minus 1, 0.6. So this is greater. So x is greater. Okay, यहां पर एक चीज 15 होगा यार, तो दिस इज 1/5 and 1/3. ओके सो 1/5 हम लेंगे तो ये जाएगा 0.2 और दिस इज 1/3 0.3. सो x स्मॉलर है देन दिस, अनइक्वल भी है, सो आंसर डी ऑप्शन. राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5x प्लस 6 कैसे फैक्टर जिनका कि सम 5 आए 3 2. एंड बोथ पॉजिटिव तो माइनस आंसर होंगे दोनों, तो -2 बड़ा होगा, -3 छोटा होगा। उसके बाद 35 4, दिस इज 2 इंटू 2, दिस इज 5 इंटू 7, सम आना है 24, यस 10 एंड 14, सो 10 एंड 14 डिवाइड बाई 4, नेगेटिव होंगे दोनों वैल्यूज, दिस इज -5/2 -7/2, this is -2.5 -3.5. now this value lies in between them, तो जब between value आ जाती है तो हमेशा आंसर E होता है, आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज E ऑप्शन। ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 38 और 11 इनके फैक्टर करना जिनका कि डिफरेंस 3 आए, दिस इज 19 इंटू 2 एंड 11, 22 and 19 and because we have minus, so in this case, and we'll divide this by 38, and if both minus, so we take negative value with smaller sign, smaller value negative, so this is 11/19 and -1/2, हम इसको लिख लेते हैं -1/2 and 11/19. now next value 28 and 9, this is 7 into 4 and 3 into 3. now we have to make such factor whose sum is 32. 9 2 18 and 14, yes 18 and 14, so 14 and 18, because both positive, answer would be minus and divide by 28, so this is 1/2 and -9/14, so this value equal and less, so y is less than equal to x, C option. okay next question, now 1 2 2 5, देखो ये 5 आखिरी में आएगा, इधर 12 4, दिस इज 35x and 4 9 0 70 is equal 0, so x would be -2. now 81 to the power 1/4 would be 3, and this is 7 cube, this is 7 is equal 0, y would be -7/3, so this is -2 point something, so y is less than x, B option. okay next question, this is x to the power 1/4/16 square is equal 144 by x to the power 3/2. now this we can write x to the power 1/2 upon 256 is equal 144 upon x to the power 3/2. now 3/2 and 1/2 would be x square is equal 144 into 256. now x would be, ये होता है 12 square, this is 16 square, so this is 12 into 16. now second term y 1/3 and 2/3 would be y 3104 is equal into is equal 16y square. so if we cancel one y would be 0, and next value of y is 3104/16. this is, if we divide this by 194, so and this product is 192, so y lies between x, so we can say the answer of this question is E option.